Okay, today me and Steve were working on the replacing one of the clutch plates on his Yamaha Road Star 2006. He was working on that, placing everything in nice little order. Drain the oil. We got the new clutch right here. Good to go, all the instructions, and wish us luck. And it's gonna be all good. Okay, this is where we are. We just removed the clutch plate. This is what it looks like. It's gonna take us a bit to take all the old gasket off. Yeah, we're gonna be good to go. So we have to spend time in order for us to make this happen. So this is the fun part. Right now we're slowly removing the stubborn gasket. It's going to come off. It's just going to take us a couple more hours to do. And this is where we are. We have everything ready. Clutches right here. This is going to be the easy part. So here we are. We're scraping. We're almost done. That's about 3.5 hours of scraping this gasket, but it looks good. And we're almost there. We just have this one little piece that we got to take care of, and then we're gonna be good to go. Okay, so we finished scraping the gasket. The clutch is already inserted. 6 pounds of pressure on each bolt. Everything is adjusted the proper way. Everything looks good in here. And now we're going to be in process of putting everything back together the way it was. It actually looks pretty good. So the clutch is completely done. That plate has been replaced. No leaks. We have started the bike. Everything looks very good, super clean, and job well done. This bike is ready for the season. It's all good to go.